Today, we're featuring the solar tunnel, a breakthrough technology that harnesses the power of the sun to light up your life. That's right, no more dimly lit spaces or reliance on artificial lighting. The solar tunnel brings the natural light into your home or office, all while saving the environment. Now, we know what you're thinking. How does it work? Well, it's simple. The solar tunnel uses reflective material to channel sunlight into a tube, which then disperses the natural light throughout your space. Think of it as your own personal skylight, without the hassle of cutting a hole in your roof. Plus, with the solar tunnel, you'll never have to worry about that midday slump. The natural light will give you the energy you need to power through the day. So, say goodbye to fluorescent bulbs and hello to the solar tunnel. It's the perfect way to brighten up your space and your mood. Check out our website at DOINGLIGHT to learn more. And remember, at DOINGLIGHT ITALIA, we're always looking for bright ideas. Welcome to SYNTHETEXLLC, where we're always making a splash with our innovative construction technology, and today is no exception. Introducing the HYDROTEX filter, the filter that will make all other filters green with envy. This filter is so efficient, it could make a fish breathe easy. We all know how important it is to keep water clean and free of debris, and the HYDROTEX filter does just that. It's like a superhero for your water, fighting off contaminants like a champ. And the best part? The HYDROTEX filter is a low-maintenance hero. It's self-cleaning, so you won't have to get your hands dirty. Plus, it lasts longer than other filters, which means you'll have more time to do the things you love, like fishing or lounging by the pool. So, if you want to keep your water crystal clear and have more time for fun in the sun, get the HYDROTEX filter from SYNTHETEXLLC today. Check out our website at SYNTHETEXLLC.com to learn more, and remember, at SYNTHETEXLLC, we're always keeping it clean. Introducing the STONECLIP, the revolutionary tool that's taking the stone world by storm. This clip is so handy, it could make a caveman feel like a pro. Gone are the days of fumbling around with heavy stones and mortar. The STONECLIP makes it a breeze to attach stone cladding to walls, with a simple snap and lock mechanism. It's like the stone equivalent of Lego. The STONECLIP is designed to work with a variety of stone sizes and thicknesses, so you won't have to worry about whether it's the right fit. And because it's made of durable materials, you can trust that it will hold up over time. And the best part? The STONECLIP is a time saver. No more waiting around for mortar to dry or dealing with messy cleanup. With the STONECLIP, you can get the job done in a snap, leaving you with more time to enjoy the finer things in life, like a good beer or a nice hike in the great outdoors. But don't just take our word for it. The STONECLIP has been used in some impressive projects, like the iconic Sydney Opera House and the luxurious Bellagio Hotel in Las Vegas. That's right, the STONECLIP is so versatile, it's used by the best in the business. So, if you want to revolutionize the way you work with stone, get the STONECLIP from STONECLIP today. Check out our website at STONECLIP.com to learn more, and remember, at STONECLIP, we're always keeping it together. May not sound like the most exciting thing in the world, but that's only because you haven't seen what BETON GmbH can do with it. With their innovative designs and top-notch materials, BETON GmbH is taking concrete to the next level. Whether it's stylish garden walls, chic concrete furniture, or even state-of-the-art sound barriers, BETON GmbH has got you covered. They're so good, they could make a parking garage look like a work of art. And the best part? BETON GmbH uses environmentally friendly materials and practices, so you can feel good about your concrete choices. Who knew being eco-friendly could be so stylish? But don't just take our word for it. BETON GmbH has been recognized with multiple awards for their innovative designs and commitment to sustainability. That's right, they're changing the concrete game and making it cool again. So, if you're ready to up your concrete game, check out BETON GmbH today. Visit their website at berding-beton.de to learn more. And remember, at BERDING BETON GmbH, we're not just making concrete, we're making it fun. HILTI Deutschland is the perfect combination of brains and brawn. They've got the brains to design some of the most advanced construction technology out there, and the brawn to handle even the toughest jobs. It's like having a super smart construction worker on your team. With products like their award-winning cordless hammer drill, HILTI Deutschland is revolutionizing the way construction workers get the job done. And their tools are so good, they'll make your old tools look like they belong in a museum. And the best part? HILTI Deutschland's products are built to last. With durable materials and top-of-the-line engineering, you won't have to worry about replacing your tools anytime soon. They're like the Terminator of construction tools. They'll be back, time and time again. But don't just take our word for it. HILTI Deutschland has been recognized with numerous awards for their innovative designs and commitment to quality. That's right, they're the best in the business, and they're not afraid to show it. So, if you're ready to take your construction game to the next level, check out HILTI Deutschland today. Visit their website at hilti.de to learn more, and remember, at HILTI Deutschland, we're not just building, we're building better.